What's up guys, it's Ryan with AOMC and I'm going to show you the 2022 Gas MC125. Alright guys, 2022 Gas MC125, unchanged for 2022. Gas did offer this in 2021. They did not offer a 250 two-stroke motocrosser, which they now also do in 2022. So, super sharp bike. And since they didn't make any changes to this thing, I'm gonna go ahead and start it up for you guys right here. Alright guys, 2022 Gas MC125. If you're interested in this or any other motorcycle, you need to contact sales@aomc.mx. They will get you hooked up. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.